The device is a budget offering and priced under the Rs 3000 segment. It competes against other smartwatches offered by brands like Noise, Boltt, Amazfit, Realm, and others in the market. The Boltt Rocket smartwatch features a round dial with an HD display measuring 1.3 inches. There is a physical button on the right side, and the device is IP certified water resistant. The device packs various watch faces. In terms of health, the Boltt Rocket is equipped with a heart rate monitor, 2 shillings sensor, sleep tracker, and female cycle monitor. It is also capable of tracking more than 100 different sports modes. The wearable device can measure steps, distance, calories burned, etc. The Boltt Rocket is equipped with a built-in speaker and a microphone. Users can make and receive phone calls via Bluetooth connectivity. The smartwatch also features Google Assistant and Siri. The Boltt Rocket offers convenient features like smart notifications. The Boltt Rocket carries a price tag of Rs 2,499. It is offered in black, silver gray, champagne gold, and gold pink color options. The smartwatch can be purchased from the brand's official website.